Valley, definitely clear and calm conditions, but looking at those weather headlines, we can expect to see those warming trend as we go into tomorrow, but we're going to have a chilly night, temperatures in the 40s. We were in the 20s last night, so we're not going to be as cold as last night, so calm weather patterns expected as we head into the rest of the work week, with highs remaining in the 60s and 70s as we go into the end of the week there. But then we're still expecting these cold fronts to come through, but they're going to be rather dry. Not really going to expect to see any rain with that as we head into those next several days there. But looking at the next situation right now, we are seeing those our almanac today. We got up to 68 degrees. Our high around this time of year is 62, so we're definitely a little bit above average in terms of our high temperatures. Our record was set in 1995 when we got up to 83 degrees. Our low last night was 27. Average lows around 36, so definitely seeing those below average temperatures in terms of our overnight temperatures. But right now, still seeing those relatively just above average temperatures. But looking at our December monthly normals of what we're expecting to see here in December. This is the monthly normal observations from the San Angelo National Weather Service. Our normal high is around 63 degrees, normal low is 36, and our normal rainfall for us here in San Angelo is 0.02 inches of rain. So definitely December on record is normally a dry month for us here in the Concho Valley, but the year-to-date precipitation is at 16.45 inches, and our normal is at 20.42 inches, so we're definitely in the deficit of that. We're 3.97 inches in rain deficit in terms of our yearly year-to-date normal rainfall. But looking at those temperatures across the Concho Valley for the past 24 hours, we got down to 29, got up to 67, so definitely seeing this warming trend and roller coaster effect of temperatures as we go into the next couple of days. But right now, outside sitting at 61, winds out of the south-southeast at 5 miles an hour, and across the state of Texas are here in the 50s, 56 in San Antonio, 52 in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. A little bit cooler off in East Texas, 49 degrees. And across the nation, expect to see just dealing with the upper-level low-pressure system that's currently off towards the northeast there. They're dealing with that nor'easter in and around the northeast of the United States. Snowfall currently ongoing right now in New York City and portions of New Jersey and upper New York State there, in and around Boston, too. So definitely seeing some messy conditions off to the northeast of there, but that high-pressure system for us here in Texas is keeping things calm and quiet for us here in the south central United States, and we're going to continue to see that as we go into the next several days. Winds are out of the southeast at 5 miles an hour, and as we go into looking at that future cast, those temperatures low in the 40s with clear skies as we go into tonight. Those winds are just relatively calm. Not really expect to see any breezy conditions, and we're going to be topping out in the 70s as we go into tomorrow. But looking at that Texas future cast as we go into the next several days, we're expecting a weak front to come through as we go into Tuesday and Wednesday. Rather dry front. We're not going to expect to see any rain out of this, but we're going to go from the 70s to the low 60s in terms of our high temperatures. Some of us could actually get up to the 70s as we go into Wednesday. We'll be rapidly warming up into the upper 70s. We could hit 80 degrees this week, but then that's followed by another cold front as we go into Thursday and Friday. Another dry cold front, so we'll go from the upper 70s back down to the 60s. And then for this weekend, we expect to see that increase in cloud cover for us here in West Texas, and with those temperatures in the upper 60s as we go into the end of the next weekend there. But we are anticipating another weather system. Weather models are disagreeing on the timing of this, so we could see some rain chances come into the picture as we head into next Monday and Tuesday as another strong front will come through the area, bringing some rain chances back across the state of Texas as we go into next Monday. But for terms of our drought conditions, still dealing with those severe drought conditions for us here in the Concho Valley. But looking at tonight, expect our overnight low to get down to 40 degrees, clear and chilly skies as we go into those overnight hours, topping out at 74 degrees for tomorrow with mostly sunny conditions. Winds out of the west-southwest at 5 to 15 miles an hour. As we go into the next 7 days, expect to see those temperatures just kind of still maintaining that roller coaster effect as we go into Tuesday and Wednesday. Cold front coming through Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. We're going from 74 for our high to 68 for Wednesday, then topping out at 79 for Thursday, 61 for Friday. Mostly sunny conditions. Not really expect to see any rain chances in the forecast for the next 7 days. Overnight temps in the 30s and 50s for the next couple of days, but we will be in the 40s and 30s as we go into this weekend and the end of the week. So definitely expect to see those chilly nights to remain in the forecast, but those temperatures remaining about average for us here in San Angelo and the rest of the Concho Valley. We'll be right back.